Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in roles and gear. This speeds the raid. Pick 2 players and assign driver, hacker, and muscle so tasks don't bottleneck. Make sure everyone has armor, snacks, and explosive rounds to handle guards and doors. Once done, park an armored vehicle nearby and pick a quiet time. Less chaotic servers mean fewer random players interfering. You do this because preparation reduces downtime and prevents mission failure once you initiate the nightclub breach. You move in through a delivery or back entrance to minimize detection. Coordinate the hacker to disable alarms and cameras because that 30 to 60 seconds gives you margin to reach the control room. While the hacker works, the muscle clears hallways and secures choke points. This prevents reinforcements from flanking you. Make sure the driver stands by for a fast extraction route. Once you control the room, reroute or loop CCTV so you can operate interior doors safely and access the vault or owner's office. You take only the targeted high-value items first because overloading slows the escape. Prioritize cash, documents, or the VIP item and stash extras in the vehicle. Once loaded, execute the exfil route you scouted earlier and use smokes, EMP, or vehicle armor to blunt pursuit. If things go wrong and you're compromised, drop to your fallback, rooftop hide, alternate alley exit, or abandoning loot to save the crew. This preserves your lives and lets you regroup for a second, better planned attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.